Hey guys, if you have a LinkedIn profile and you're filling out your profile details and want to add your address, it's very easy to do, and I'm going to show you how to add your address to your LinkedIn profile. So once you're inside LinkedIn, you want to basically find your profile on the left. Just simply click on your name that is shown there, and from here you will be taken over to your profile. Now there's two ways how to actually reach to your contact details so that you can add your address. You can either click this pencil icon here towards the right hand side, and that's going to open up some details here, or the quickest and the fastest way is to click on the contact info button towards the left hand side. Then here you will be able to click the pencil icon again, and it's going to take you into where you have your details. So right here you can see I have a phone number here as well, and this is the address section. So if I want to say that I live in, let's say, Carlin, Prague, I can just write something like that. This is where I live, and I can just say, okay, I live in Karlin, Prague as an example, right? I can basically type that in and click on save, and that's going to be the address. Now, once I do that, the address is now added. So at any point in time, someone would like to view my contact details, they can quickly click on this contact info button and quickly edit it by simply clicking the pencil icon, and I'm able to find my address info right here. So that's how I can easily add it, guys. At any point in time you want to change that or add that, you can easily add in your address details there. Very easy and very simple.